Hello, I am Yeimy Ruiz. I had an excellent experience when I traveled to Barranquilla in January. We traveled by line in our car, which made the experience fantastic as we saw beautiful landscapes and had the opportunity to stay in San Alberto in the department of Cesar. I was with my two children and my husband. We enjoyed this trip for more than 15 days, where we went to the beach of Santa Marta, La Guajira, and Puerto Colombia. The experience has been wonderful as I enjoyed with my family and knew many beautiful places. This experience impacted me because the sea looks different in every place we went. I would like to know other places in my car again. Thank you.